Are you looking for the best telescopes under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best telescopes under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ. Solid build and specs, paired with the remarkable StarSense Explorer app, make this telescope a perfect introduction to celestial observation. Newbies to astronomy today can have a decidedly different experience than beginners who started stargazing before smartphones were a thing. Instead of carting out maps of the night sky to find constellations, the StarSense Explorer series from Celestron, including the DX130AZ Refractor, makes ample use of your device to bring you closer to the stars. With your smartphone resting in the telescope's built-in dock, the StarSense Explorer app will find your location using the device's GPS and serve up a detailed list of celestial objects viewable in real time. Looking for the Pleiades cluster? This app will tell you how far away it is from you and then lead you there with on-screen navigation. The app also includes descriptions of those objects, tips for observing them, and other useful info. The StarSense Explorer ships with an altazimuth mount equipped with slow-moving fine-tuning controls for both axes so you can find your target smoothly. And for those times you want to explore the night sky without tethering a smartphone, the scope's red dot finder will help you zero in on your targets. The two eyepieces, measuring 25mm and 10mm, are powerful enough to snag stellar views of the planets but not quite enough to see the details a high-powered eyepiece would deliver. Number 2. Skywatcher Skymax 102mm Maksutov-Cassegrain Telescope. This telescope punches above its weight class in size and power, making it an ideal scope for viewing planets. Let's be real, most consumers in the market for a moderately priced telescope are in it to gain spectacular views of the planets and galaxies, but probably not much else. And it's easy to see why. Nothing makes celestial bodies come alive like viewing them in real time, in all their colorful glory. If that sounds like you, allow us to direct you to the Skywatcher Skymax 102, a refracting telescope specializing in crisp views of objects like planets and galaxies with ample contrast to make them pop against the dark night sky. The Skymax 102 is based on a Maksutov-Cassegrain's design that uses both mirrors and lenses, resulting in a heavy-hitting scope in a very compact and portable unit. A generous 102mm aperture pulls in plenty of light to illuminate the details in objects, and the 1300mm focal length results in intense magnification. Two included wide-angle eyepieces measuring 25mm and 10mm deliver 130x and 52x magnification, respectively. The package also includes a red dot finder, V-rail for mounting, 1.25-inch diagonal viewing piece, and a case for transport and storage. Look no further if you're looking for pure colors across a perfectly flat field in a take-anywhere form factor. Number 3. Orion Observer 260mm AZ Refractor Telescope Starter Kit. The entire package is designed to get kids exploring space right out of the box. Specs: focal length, 700mm aperture, 60mm, f/11.7 magnification, 70x, 28x. Parents have a limited window of time to recognize and develop their kids' interests. That's what makes the Orion Observer 2 such a great buy. Seeing the craters on the moon or the rings of Saturn for the first time can affirm your kids' curiosity about space and expand their concept of the universe, and they can get those goosebumps while learning through this altazimuth refractor telescope. The Orion Observer 2 is built to impressive specifications, with a 700mm focal length that provides 71x magnification for viewing the vivid details of planets in our solar system. True glass lenses, not plastic, are a bonus at this price point, and combined with either included Kellner eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, the telescope delivers crisp views of some of space's most dazzling objects. Kids and parents can locate celestial objects with the included red dot finder. The kit also includes MoonMap 260, a fold-out map that directs viewers to 260 lunar features, such as craters, valleys, ancient lava flows, mountain ranges, and every US and Soviet lunar mission landing site. An included copy of Exploring the Cosmos, an introduction to the night sky gives a solid background before they go stargazing. And with its aluminum tube and tripod, the entire rig is very portable, even for young ones, with a total weight of 4.3 pounds.